This is the video submission for Soccer Robot of Team 11. Let me walk you. So here is the robot, and let me walk you through the basic design and other basic working of the robot itself. Popping off the roof, we see a whole lot of electronic and electrical components which are necessary for the working of the robot. Starting from the first, this is the battery box. You can see it has a switch to turn it on and off. This is the servo motor right here, a breadboard for wired connections, two motors, an Arduino, and an HC05 Bluetooth module. And down here we have the motor controller, or remote for the power delivery to the motors. The robot has 3 wheels, 2 on the sides as you can see, and 1 caster wheel down below. So how does this work? As you can see, the main computer, or the main controlling part of the robot, is the Arduino. The Arduino will control each and every component in this entire assembly. It gives power to, so first of all, an Arduino is connected to Bluetooth, to this Bluetooth module. The Bluetooth module will receive a signal from our smartphone devices, and that will instruct the Arduino to control the motors and the servo motor for the kicking mechanism whenever we trigger the button. First of all, to move forward, the Arduino will send a signal to the motor controller saying to rotate this wheel in clockwise direction and this wheel in anti-clockwise direction. Since the motors are on the 2 opposite sides, and that will make the robot move ahead. You'll see the demonstration of the robot pretty soon. Also, the servo motor for the kicking mechanism is controlled by the Arduino. Since servo motor only needs a PWM signal, Arduino will send a signal whether to move from one particular angle to another or back. So that's a very simple working. To demonstrate how educational and the learning aspect of this robot for children, let him tell that since it contains an Arduino, it is one of the most simple and intuitive way for kids to learn programming. Also, since the robot comes as a DIY kit or do-it-yourself kit, the kids will learn how to build by themselves. There are a lot of possibilities for kids to learn about building and coding, some of the very necessary skills that are required. Now that you've seen the basic working and construction of the robot, let me show you the robot in operation. Please do note that the battery that I'm using has completely drained off, hence I will be using a power bank to power the robot. The operation will still remain the same irrespective of the battery type used.